This is the elevator at Shipilovskaya metro station in Moscow. Sorry if I accidentally said Borisova metro station. Shipilovskaya metro station. I meant to say on the street elevator. Sorry about that. My mistake. And here it is. -1. We're down in this case. Here we go. Whoa, any indicator, LCD indicator is already vandalized. Capacity 630 kilograms. A person installed 2011. Watch the button go out. Noise. Here at my platform level. And let's go back up to 1. This one has a silent chime. And it's vandalized here. Cab view. Basic elevator. Fixtures, I'm not sure if they got replaced because due to the vandalism. Oh, look at the graffiti. You can graffiti on cab. Any graffiti there. And here back at the ticket hole, but focus camera. Watch the door close. There it goes, and that's it.